Hello everybody, this is the RightScore mobile application tutorial video for the judges. So jump on your smartphone and in the web browser enter the address rightscoremobile.com, and here it is, the RightScore mobile login page. You click on the staff login button. Here you will enter your username and password given to you by the contest organizer. In this video we're going to use the demo login. This takes us to the staff homepage. As you can see, there are two parts, judging and head judge. So here we choose whether you are judge A, B or C as directed by your head judge. In this example, we will choose judge A. Here you click on your name. This links you to your main judge page. This will have to be done, guys, at the beginning of each heat, so that the system can keep a trace of who judged which heats. If you make a mistake, you can always click on the home button, which will take you to the judge selection again. Once clicked, a name button is highlighted in green. This will be helpful in case you want to resume a heat, so you will know which judges were on duty. So let's change, as we are actually Noel Savori. Here we are at Judge A, Noel Savori's main page. It shows the riders of the present heat and offers a button to set a new score or buttons to modify scores already set. So let's demonstrate how to set some scores. We click on the Set New Score button. Here we see three buttons corresponding to the riders and their jersey colours. A grid to set the scores, and the score recap, where all the scores you've already set will be displayed. Let's put a score on the first wave of the red, a 3-2. We click on wave 1 of the red button. This opens up a detail bar. This is going to contain all the scores set for the red. We then set the score using the scoring grid, the left part representing units, the right part representing tenths. Let's go. At the top of the page, you will see your score updating. So a 3 and a 0.2, and then we validate. The score is now set and you stay on the same page, ready to insert the next score. The system now offers the second wave for the red, still the first for the white and for the yellow. Let's set one more score for the red, a 5.5. Here we see the first wave set 3.2. and an XX in the detail bar signifying the next wave to be scored. You can also see the 3.2 in the score recap. Alright, we set our 5.5 and we validate. If you don't see a rider's wave, you can then set a missing instead of a score located here. Let's set a missing for the first wave of the white. And validate. The system will replace the missing by the average calculated from the scores set by the remaining judges, and the final average of the wave will be calculated as normal. As you can see, the system offers you the first available wave to score. It's always signified by an XX. Don't be afraid to move around on the buttons. If you select the incorrect rider or score, it's not a problem. Just validate when you're happy with your decision. So for us, let's put a 7.6 for the first wave of the yellow. We check the score on the top bar and we validate. If the admin makes a change on a judge's score, he will ask the judge to refresh the page so he can see the change. It is done by clicking the refresh button here. So this is it, guys, to set a new score. Let's go back to Judge A's main page. Here you see the scores already set for each rider. The buttons at the bottom of the page give you the option to modify a score already set, either by changing or deleting it. The button colors relate to the rider's jersey, and these buttons will only be visible if the admin have set them accessible in the contest parameters. Let's have a look at how to utilize this button. we will change the first wave of the yellow from a 7.6 to an 8.2. So we click on the yellow modify button, choose the wave, here wave 1. We enter our 8.2 and we validate. Here you see the altered score. Let's now delete the second wave of the red. So we click on the red modify button, select the second wave and click on no score. There we go, second wave of red deleted. When the heat is completed, pushing any button will immediately take the judge back to the staff homepage. So my admin is just finishing a heat. Let's have a look at what happens when we push any button. There you will see a check heat on button displayed until the next heat has started. So my admin has just started a new heat. Let's click on the check heat on button. There we are, back to our staff homepage, which now offers the judges access. So this is it, judges. I hope you enjoyed the simplicity of the interface.